A very good morning to all of you. In this class, I am going to start with the discussing about the question which are asked in previous board exam. The question is, describe the process of transcription in bacteria. First question is asking about the transcription takes place in bacteria. How the transcription takes place in the bacteria. Now explain the processing the hnRNA, that is heteronuclear RNA, need to undergo before becoming functional mRNA in eukaryotes. So जो प्रोसेसिंग होती है, दैट इज प्रोसेसिंग अबाउट द, यहाँ पे स्प्लाइसिंग की बात कर रहे हैं, स्प्लाइसिंग के बारे में पूछ रहे हैं. दे आर आस्किंग अबाउट द स्प्लाइसिंग. और इन द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन दे आर आस्किंग अबाउट द ट्रांसक्रिप्शन इन बैक्टीरिया, एंड in the second question they are asking about splicing that is responsible for the formation of mature mRNA by the heteronuclear mRNA. So let's discuss about the first question. Describe the process of transcription in bacteria or in E. coli. So transcription in E. coli, transcription in E. coli or bacteria E. coli takes place in three steps. That is, first step is initiation, and the second step is elongation, and the third step is the termination. How the initiation, elongation and termination takes place. All three processes takes place in the transcription of the chromosome, transcription of, that is formation of mRNA from the formation of mRNA from DNA. Now in the initiation start with the help of enzyme, that is DNA dependent RNA polymerase. DNA dependent RNA polymerase is responsible for the enzyme which is formed by the 5 subunit, that is 4 subunit of the 4 subunit of core enzyme and the sigma subunit. So here is now the transcription that is RNA polymerase second is responsible for the initiation of transcription, or polymerase is involved in the initiation of transcription, that is formation of mRNA. There are more than except two, there are two another RNA polymerase, that is RNA polymerase first and RNA polymerase third. They are responsible for in the synthesis of tRNA or RNA, but they are asking about the synthesis transcription process. In the next step they are also asking about the mRNA. So हम mRNA डिस्कस करेंगे mRNA की synthesis के. Now here is RNA polymerase second. The RNA polymerase second has the sigma subunit responsible for the initiation of the transcription. They bind with the promoter. They help in search of the promoter, or they bind with the promoter region. When this polymerase attached to this promoter, the finally here is sigma factor, and this is RNA polymerase second. When the RNA polymerase second bind with promoter region, because the sigma factor helped in search of the promoter region, when finally the RNA polymerase bind with the promoter, or then they eventually the sigma factor dissociate from the RNA polymerase और coenzyme. जैसे ही सर्च कर लिया जाएगा देन RNA polymerase से सिग्मा फैक्टर रिलीज कर दिए जाएंगे, हटा दिए जाएंगे, बिकॉज दे सिर्फ इनका फंक्शन क्या होता है, ओनली सर्च ऑफ प्रमोटर रीजन. प्रमोटर को सर्च करते हैं, बस यही फंक्शन है. नाउ व्हेन द आरएनए पॉलीमरेज जब बाइंड हो जाएंगे, वैसे ही द सिग्मा फैक्टर फ्रॉम द पॉलीमरेज डिसोसिएट फ्रॉम द पॉलीमरेज सेकेंड. नाउ दे इनिशिएट द ट्रांसक्रिप्शन ऑफ the mRNA, that is formation of the mRNA from the DNA molecule. From वो उस टेम्पलेट पे सिंथेसाइज करेंगे और इनिशिएट करेंगे जिस टेम्पलेट की डायरेक्शन 3 प्राइम टू 5 प्राइम इन डायरेक्शन में होगा. जो टेम्पलेट 3 प्राइम टू 5 प्राइम के डायरेक्शन में होगा. सो दे यहाँ पे क्योंकि ब्रेकिंग नहीं होगी और फ्रैगमेंट्स का फॉर्मेशन नहीं होगा, सो दे चूज दैट फ्रैगमेंट विच पोलैरिटी इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ 3 प्राइम टू द 5 प्राइम इन डायरेक्शन. सो स्ट्रैंड यहाँ पे सिंथेसाइज होगा in 5 prime to 3 prime direction. As we already know, the direction of synthesis of mRNA and DNA both takes place in the direction of 5 prime to 3 prime direction. So they only choose that strand which direction has in 3 prime to 5 prime, 3 prime to 5 prime, so that they continuously synthesize their mRNA in the direction of 5 prime to 3 prime. Now the RNA polymerase move करेंगे along with the direction और they synthesize the mRNA in 5 prime to 3 prime in direction और move करेंगे along with the DNA strand. और DNA strand के साथ ये एक एक न्यूक्लियोटाइड को ऐड करते जाएंगे, न्यूक्लियोटाइड ऐड करेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हियर इज एडेनिन, तो दे बिकॉज इन द mRNA the thymine is absent, so they add uracil, for example, just example. So if there is on the DNA molecule there is cytosine, so they add guanosine. Now similarly then guanosine they add cytosine. तो इस तरीके से एडिशन यहाँ पे होगा ना. जब ये ऐड करेंगे एक एक इनिशिएशन स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. देन इन द इलोंगेशन दे मूव इन द डायरेक्शन of 5 prime to 3 prime, and they also synthesize in the direction of 5 prime to 3 prime on the template strand which has their polarity in 3 prime to 5 prime. So this strand is act as a template strand. Now the template strand and the second strand is known as the coding strand. Here is coding strand. The second strand is coding strand because the coding strand have the nucleotides same as the RNA, same as the mRNA, which are synthesized on the template of 3 prime to on the template strand and 3 prime to 5 prime strand. Now during the elongation, because the in the DNA there are the structural genes, the promoter region, then the structural gene, and here is the terminator region. Here is terminator region. Terminator region because this is promoter region. Promoter region, and in between the promoter region and terminator region here is a structural gene. The structural gene is responsible for the synthesis of particular एंजाइम पर्टिकुलर प्रोटीन, तो क्योंकि वी हैव ऑलरेडी नो द क्यों ट्रांसक्रिप्शन हो रहा है, बिकॉज द जेनेटिक जो यहाँ पे डीएनए पे कोड है, जो कोड है वो पूरे ऑर्गेनिज्म में कौन से एंजाइम बनेंगे, प्रोटीन बनेंगे, उसके कैरेक्टरिस्टिक के पूरे जीन्स प्रेजेंट है। नाउ द जीन्स आर ट्रांसक्राइब ऑन द mRNA एज सच उतार लिया जाएगा, बिकॉज द डीएनए आर नॉट एबल टू ट्रांसपोर्ट in the cytoplasm. So the coding the code which are present on the DNA molecule, they transcribe, the code are transcribed into the mRNA, onto the mRNA molecule. Finally the mRNA molecule are able to transport or able to transport in the cytoplasm. So the mRNA then in the cytoplasm undergoes in the translation process. After the translation process, finally the protein, the desired protein or enzyme synthesized from the particular DNA molecule. So the transcription factor are responsible for the transcription factors, सब कुछ होंगे, those are responsible for the secretion of the particular protein, formation of the particular protein or enzyme by after the translation process, or which followed by the transcription, or the transcription is followed by the translation process. And here is now the second step is elongation. Now elongation is carried out by the RNA polymerase second, when the RNA polymerase second move in the direction of 5' to 5' to 3' on the template strand, and they add one after one nucleotide on the newly synthesizing mRNA. Now here is five. Okay, so because the here is promoter, so अगर RNA polymerase, because the RNA polymerase second for responsible for the synthesis or responsible for the addition of न्यूक्लियोटाइड, बिकॉज अब यहाँ से ये यहाँ तक मूव कर गए हैं तो ऑलरेडी द न्यूक्लियोटाइड फॉर्म हो गए हैं, बिकॉज यहाँ पे द हियर इज 5' in and here is 3' in, and one after one न्यूक्लियोटाइड ऐड करते जाएंगे with respect to the nucleotide which are present on the DNA molecule on the template strand. So here is template again, strand, and here is the coding strand, coding strand. Now they move along or along the DNA molecule in the direction of 5' to 3' and finally reaches to the terminator. For example, here is terminator, or if टर्मिनेटर, जैसे ही ये टर्मिनेटर, क्योंकि वैसे ही ये ओपन होते जाएंगे और ओपन होते होते और सिंथेसाइज होते होते वन आफ्टर वन न्यूक्लियोटाइड ऐड हो रहे हैं, एंड दे फाइनली रीचेस टू द टर्मिनेटर. when they reaches to the terminator form the hairpin structure. From the hairpin structure symbolize that ये or indicate that there is a termination occurrence of termination at that end. जो अकर हो रहा है या टर्मिनेशन हो रहा है ट्रांसक्रिप्शन का. नाउ टर्मिनेशन इज द एंडिंग प्रोसेस इन विच द mRNA undergoes in the termination process. Finally the यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, now the polymerase dissociate in the termination third step. The RNA polymerase reaches to the terminator point, they form the hair loop structure. Hair loop structure of the mRNA. Here is mRNA now fully synthesized. mRNA form in the direction of 5' to 3'. At the 3' end, there is a formation of hairpin structure. That hairpin structure, or finally there is addition of Rho factor. Finally, the Rho factor bind with the RNA polymerase. Rho factor. Rho factor bind with the RNA polymerase second, and finally they stop or terminate the transcription process. So here is the whole transcription process which takes place in E. coli bacteria, and finally all the genetic codes are transcribed onto the mRNA, and this mRNA now able to transport into that genetic code with the help of mRNA transported into the cytoplasm. Finally वहाँ पे translation process, transcription is followed by the translation process, and the translation process takes place in the cytoplasm, or finally protein are synthesized from that mRNA. And एक जो triplet codon के form में रहेंगे, the 3 codons, that is 3 nucleotide are able to synthesize are able to code the one amino acid, or so that they bind the one amino acid bind with the another amino acid with the help of peptide bond, with the help of peptide bond. Finally protein are synthesized. तो यहाँ पे वो बाद में होगी, that is translation process. Here is transcription process, in which the transcription takes place in 3 steps. This is the answer of A. So the जो 3 step में हो रहा है, first initiation is started by the sigma factor. The sigma factor bind with the RNA polymerase second. The RNA polymerase second now bind with the promoter region, because the sigma factor help in the search of the promoter region. From the promoter region, finally the initiation of transcription is started. Now यहाँ पे जो sigma, जैसे ही promoter region मिल जाएगा, वैसे ही sigma factor become dissociate from the core enzyme or RNA polymerase second. Then finally the RNA polymerase move in the direction of 5' to 3' on template strand. They add one by one after one nucleotide on mRNA, and they add each nucleotide according to the DNA molecule, or the transcription takes place only on that DNA, which direction, only on that DNA which is the direction of that DNA is 3' to 5' in direction. Here is 3' to 5' in direction. Now the termination takes place. How the termination takes place? When the RNA polymerase reaches to the terminator point, then the Rho factor bind with the RNA polymerase, and finally they form the hairpin structure or hair loop structure. तो यहाँ पे termination हो जाएगा, और finally the mRNA dissociate from the DNA or polymerase. They all components are dissociate from each other, or finally they are able to transport in the cytoplasm. So here is a transcription in bacteria. Now second answer अब discuss करते हैं, that is processing the hnRNA need to undergo before becoming functional mRNA in eukaryotes. So they are asking about the splicing of mRNA. The second answer of the second question is processing of the hnRNA, that is heteronuclear RNA. हेटेरोन्यूक्लियर RNA की प्रोसेसिंग कैसे होगी, और ये कन्वर्ट कैसे होगा इन द mRNA, मैच्योर mRNA में कैसे कन्वर्ट होंगे. नाउ द प्रोसेस टेक्स प्लेस द होल इन द यूकैरियोट्स. द होल प्रोसेस ऑल्सो टेक्स प्लेस इन द three step, that is initiation, elongation and also termination. In the initiation process, that is RNA polymerase second is involved in the transcription of mRNA, but there is a formation because the gene in the genes which are present on the DNA are responsible for the synthesis of one that is monocystronic genes are present on the DNA, because in eukaryotes only one protein is in synthesized, one type of protein are responsible synthesis of one protein. In eukaryotes are responsible for the from the one gene is responsible for the synthesis of one type of protein, or one cistron is responsible for the synthesis of one type of protein. So in the eukaryote there is a monocystronic genes are present on the DNA molecules. So but in case of prokaryotes there are in the prokaryote there are polycystronic genes are present. That means ki one cistron or one gene are responsible for the synthesis of more than one protein. So because the gene जो genetic code होता है उनका छोटा होता है, तो in that case one gene से बहुत सारे protein की synthesis हो पाती है. तो there is no need to splicing of the different segment of the protein, because one gene is responsible for the synthesis of more than one protein. So वहाँ पे क्योंकि पर्टिकुलर उस प्रोटीन की सिंथेसिस के लिए किसी भी जीन को हटाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है, बिकॉज क्योंकि यहाँ यूकैरियोटिक के केस में देयर इज द जीन्स आर मोनोसिस्ट्रॉनिक इन नेचर. सो वन जीन इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द सिंथेसिस ऑफ वन टाइप ऑफ प्रोटीन, और सिंगल सिस्ट्रॉन इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द synthesis of single type of protein. So in that case there is need to splice the hnRNA and that converted into the mature mRNA. So in that time here is RNA molecule. The direction of RNA molecule is 5' to 3' direction, but there is also present of GPP, that is guanosine triphosphate molecule also present on the 5' end, and polyadenylate chain is present on the 3' end. How this formation takes place in the whole transcription of the DNA or transcription of mRNA. नाउ यहाँ पे भी सेम प्रोसेस होगा, दैट इज प्रमोटर रीजन पे द पॉलीमरेज एंजाइम पॉलीमरेज एंजाइम सेकेंड बाइंड करेंगे डीएनए डिपेंडेंट आरएनए पॉलीमरेज सेकेंड बाइंड विद द प्रमोटर रीजन, देन दे मूव इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ 5' to 3' in the on the template strand. Similarly यहाँ पे भी template strand होगा, but there is one difference in between eukaryotes and prokaryotes. There is coding strand, that is there is a presence or occurrence of capillaries of all organisms. So तो अगर हम इन द यूकैरियोट्स, अगर यूकैरियोट के केस में और इवन इन ह्यूमन के केस में अगर प्रोसेसिंग नहीं होगी और स्प्लाइसिंग नहीं होगा, तो पर्टिकुलर जो mRNA है वो क्योंकि हाईली रिएक्टिव है, वो अपने ही एंड से रिएक्ट कर लेंगे और म्यूटेंट कॉज हो जाएंगे. तो देयर इज अ चांसेस ऑफ म्यूटेशन कॉज होने के चांसेस हैं. तो इस म्यूटेशन कॉज को डिक्रीज करने के लिए और जो एबनॉर्मेलिटी हो डिक्रीज करने के लिए स्प्लाइसिंग और प्रोसेसिंग प्रोसेस होता है. Now when they move in the direction of 5 prime to 3 prime after addition of 1000 न्यूक्लियोटाइड। जैसे ही 1000 न्यूक्लियोटाइड का ऐड होगा वैसे ही जो यहाँ पे आरएनए पॉलीमरेज है, आरएनए पॉलीमरेज मूव कर जाएंगे और ये 5 प्राइम एंड ये ओपन हो जाएंगे 5 प्राइम एंड व्हेन देयर इज अकरेंस ऑफ कैपिंग। Initiation, elongation, second. Now initiation sorry here is 5 prime in, here is RNA polymerase, second. Now 5 prime in undergoes in the capping process. Capping process. In the capping process, there is the addition of GPP, that is guanosine triphosphate, and on the one end 5 prime end, so that they secure the 5 prime end. That 5 prime end not able to react with their OH group, hydroxyl group, which is present in the pentose sugar on 2 prime end of the pentose sugar पे प्रेजेंट है। जो हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप ये उससे रिएक्ट ना कर ले, इसलिए यहाँ के फॉस्फेट को सिक्योर किया जाता है, वहां पे ऐड कर दिया जाता है गुआनोसिन डाइफॉस्फेट को। तो 1 फॉस्फेट प्रेजेंट है ऑन द 5 प्राइम एंड ऑफ द आरएनए मॉलिक्यूल एंड 2 रेस्ट है, इन्हें बाद में जोड़ा गया है, दैट इज गुआनोसिन ट्राइफॉस्फेट। तब इन्हें कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं मिथाइल and the methyl guanosine triphosphate added on the 5 prime end, that is known as capping. When they move in the termination process, the third step, the termination process, the finally RNA polymerase reaches to the terminator region and there is addition of polyadenylate 10. Here is addition of polyadenylate 10, that is polyadenylate 10 हो जाएगा, approximately 200 adenine added to the 3 prime end of the mRNA molecule, guanosine triphosphate, methyl guanosine triphosphate. And there is now the processing is that अब क्योंकि mRNA synthesize कर लिया गया है, but there is a also presence of intron, exon, here is exon, intron, exon segments. Because the gene are the eukaryotes are monocentronic, so the removal of intron also takes place after the formation of mRNA that undergoes in the splicing process. In the splicing process, finally the introns are removed from the mRNA molecule. So here is a mature mRNA. Now mature mRNA have the intron region. Now intron region को सर्कल करके ट्रांसक्राइब जब कर लिया जाएगा, मैच्योर mRNA का फॉर्मेशन हो जाएगा। here is 5 prime end, there is capping and polyadenylate chain, that is telling कर ली जाएगी। then they remove the intron part of the DNA, intron part of the DNA, and here is exon. So exon is responsible for the protein synthesis, तो ये as such रहेंगे, अदरवाइज जो अदर पार्ट है जिनसे प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस नहीं करना है उसे कट करके रिमूव कर दिए जाएंगे। तो introns are removed from the mature mRNA, and here is a formation of mature mRNA which have GPP, methyl guanosine triphosphate or polyadenylate 10. Now this is a securing of the telling, capping कर दी जाएगी, here is capping. Now this is a mature mRNA. mature mRNA in eukaryotes. And telling now these the mRNA are now able to transport in the cytoplasm for the translation process. So here is the answer of the first and second both दोनों के आंसर हो गए हैं, जहां पे हमने ट्रांसक्रिप्शन प्रोसेस इन बैक्टीरिया देखा, देन स्प्लाइसिंग और कैपिंग और टेलिंग मेथड प्रोसेसिंग में आ जाते हैं। तो यहाँ पे सेकंड क्वेश्चन का आंसर ये है। नाउ नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करेंगे।